Today we'll talk about 5 Hasta Mudras. These are very good to make your relationship better. Better with others and above all, better with yourself. What happens when we see into the relationships? If someone is right in our taste, then we start liking him or her. But what if the views are a little different? Then the acceptance becomes a little difficult. Like if I give you an example that this wall is at my right side and you're just sitting in front of me facing myself, then this is at your left side. If you're able to see me, you'll recognize that. But if I'm saying, like, if there is a wall in between and I'm saying look right side towards the wall, but instead of facing this side, you'll be facing that side and will think there is no wall that side. So maybe I am wrong. Another example, if I'm talking someone on a phone, I'm sitting in India and the other person is sitting in US. I'm saying that it is early morning here. I'm enjoying the weather. And they can think that what is he talking about? It is night here. So if they don't know that I'm sitting far away in India, they'll not accept my sayings. So sometimes maybe the views are different, but still you need to accept the other human beings. I am telling this about the strangers, but what about the relationships with your spouse, with your parents, with your friends, with your siblings? I know many people that they are not comfortable with their close ones also. So we'll practice 5 Hasta Mudras today that will help you to take your relationships much better with others, with your close beings, with yourself also. The first one is Ganesha Mudra. How to do that? You need to interlock the fingers this way. Take the thumbs also inside and keeping the palms just in front of the heart center. The right palm is facing forward. Inhale and exhaling. Push your hands out. Extending a little pressure. Keep holding the breath outside. That will tighten your chest. Then with inhalation, release. Exhale and stretch it out. Hold until you can. Then inhaling, release. Do it 6 times the same way. Then you need to chain the hands. Inhale, exhaling, push it out, both hands. And the palms are just in front of the heart center, remember? Relax. Exhale and stretch it in again. The Ganesha Mudra opens your heart. You accept other people with open heart. And if you close your eyes, holding the breath outside only, visualize the color red. So that will enable the sun element inside you, that will enhance that. Inhale and release. Another variation to it, that you can go diagonal also, like my right palm is facing out. Inhale and exhaling, go diagonally. The palms are still just in front of the heart. Keep holding the breath outside. Then inhale. Repeat the same 6 times here also. Then you can go other side. Inhale and exhaling, stretch it out. Keep visualizing the color red. Inhale and release. 6 times with each hand facing forward. You can do it this way, you can do it diagonally also. Very good mudra to accept other people as they are. The second one, that is Shunya Mudra. Shunya Mudra is generally associated with your hearing, with your ears. How to do that? You need to bend your middle finger, keep it at the root of the thumb and press the middle finger with the thumb. Let the other fingers be straight. Let the wrist rest on the knees. Close your eyes and be there. Keep pressing the middle finger hard with your thumb. Keep holding for 15 minutes. Shunya Mudra works on every type of hearing problems. So it makes your ears healthier. But at the same time, you will think I was talking about the relationships from where the ear health comes. So remember, the hearing problem is not only related to ear health, but that is related to your psyche also. Sometimes the other people are trying hard to make us understand for something, but we really are not able to accept what they are saying, or actually we do not hear that. So Shunya Mudra enables you to accept other people's view. You should be holding this mudra at least for 15 minutes and do it 3 times a day. You can do it at any time of the day, but just do not practice just after having your meals. There should be a gap of at least 1 hour. The third mudra, that is called Jalodhar Nashak Mudra. So Jalodhar Nashak Mudra is actually meant to be there to release all the congestions from your stomach for your lungs area. If there is a congestion of mucus or extra accumulation of water inside the body, Jalodhar Nashak Mudra is very good for that. How to do that? You need to be pressing the little finger down at the root of the thumb, both of them, and then press the little finger down with your thumbs. Press the wrist on your knees and close your eyes. As I told you, Jalodhar Nashak Mudra is very good to take the congestion out. So not only the mucus, not only the water congestion, but the congestion of the thoughts, the congestion of the stress is also being released. So sometimes you just be within yourself, congested overall, being in a lot of stress. So when you put a Jalodhar Nashak Mudra, close your eyes and feel that you are standing under a waterfall and the pure and clean water pouring onto the head. So everything which is being congested inside, the brown color is going out, dark brown color, and everything transparent is going inside, and you're becoming transparent and open for everyone. Jalodhar Nashak Mudra should be practiced 3 times a day for 45 minutes. The fourth mudra, that is Lotus Mudra. Lotus is a very beautiful flower. So how to do that? You need to join the pads of your hands and the fingers together, joining your little fingertips and thumb tips together. Take the palms just in front of the heart and open your fingers wide. Close your eyes. Deep inhale and exhale. Deep inhaling, exhaling for 4 times. After inhaling, exhaling 4 times, slowly close your fingers. Keep your eyes closed throughout. Then again, open the fingers wide. Eyes are closed. Deep inhale and exhale 4 times. Then close the fingers. Repeat the same process like opening and closing 7 times. The Lotus Mudra helps you to open up. Sometimes we have too many blockages, like we are not ready to forgive others. So to forgive others and above all to forgive yourself for the past karmas, Lotus Mudra is very good. That opens you up. Remember, you need to do 7 times, holding the mudra, breathe deeper 4 times, deep inhale and exhale, then close and open, and keep repeating this way. The 5th and final mudra, that is Varada Mudra. How to do that? You need to take your left wrist at the left knee, slowly, gently let the palm face forward, going down, and keep it in a relaxed position. The other right palm is at your lap. Close your eyes. The Varada Mudra is related to Hindu mythology. The Hindu gods sit in this posture, having this mudra. You should be practicing this mudra early in the morning, and you should be holding it 10 to 20 minutes. You can do it twice a day. Generally, we remain bind with the past. Something or the other things keep haunting us, keep us in stress. So to forgive is a very big thing. So Varada Mudra, that is a godly mudra, tells you to forgive others for their karmas, and above all, that is to forgive yourself. If you take the burden out, that will help you out for sure to have better relationships. So I told you 5 mudras today. These are very good to improve your relationships with others, with your close ones, with yourself also. I hope practicing these 5 mudras will help you out having much better relationships. Do not forget to like, subscribe and share this video. Thank you so much.